1, 2, 3.
I missed. God, you look pretty.
Thank you, dear. Now we're gonna rim our cups.
Everybody likes a good rimmer, and my wife is a really good
I
rimmer.
will cut you.
What? I was telling them that you can. What? You're a professional cup rimmer. Oh my God, that's beautiful.
Beautiful.
This is our Spontooneous Tooner's New Year's Eve drink. It's a small drink. It won't be meant for many people. It's just, okay, maybe
It's not a small drink.
maybe a few people.
We're going to start with some pineapple juice that we froze into ice cubes. And we froze some tangerines and limes.
Now we're going to add some more ice to it. More pineapple ice cubes. You want to tell everybody what you did with the tangerines, or is that a secret?
I already did, sweetie. I already did. I cut them up and froze them. So they're super frozen.
So we rehashed that topic.
For those that weren't paying attention, we froze the tangerines. Why are you laughing?
Because I hang on every word you say. We're going to start with... Son of a bitch, I see people do this all the time. Why are you doing that?
Because that's you can't do it.
You can't just do it while it's on tight?
No, you have to unscrew it. So.
All right, ready?
1, 2, 3.
I missed. Wait. Oh, fuck. In my cup?
Here, try it again, baby. Try it again.
Beep. Take 2. Oh, gosh. All right, you go first. You got yours off first. Tornado that bad boy into there, honey.
Oh,
what do you got? What do you got?
I got tangerine vodka.
Oh, really? Wow. That sounds fun.
Did I tornado it? I don't know.
Captain Morgan's pineapple rum.
You're squishing it. Leave it to you to make a mess.
Wow, that's so pretty.
That is pretty.
I don't try to look like
And now we're going to put
professionals.
some Minute Maid fruit punch in it.
That is pretty. We're going to finish it off
All of
with
it?
everything a fruit punch should have.
Hold on. Let me
Really?
clean up your mess. Now, go.
And we're going to finish it off with everything a fruit punch should have, ginger ale. You see all these people adding all this fancy crap to their fruit punches for their parties. Now, you need ginger ale. Ginger ale always gives fruit punch the best flavor.
You need to
Oh,
stop shit
God.
talking. We're also going to put some...
Okay, go ahead.
We're going to put some edible glitter in our cups. Edible glitter.
Was that the stuff that makes it like... Oh, in our cup. What? That's a lot in our cups. Don't you think? I mean, it's not. It's probably perfect. It's a perfect amount. You want to cut our fruit so it goes on the rim of our cups?
I'm going to cut something, all right. We're going to put in our star pineapple ice.
In the shapes of stars?
Yeah, in the shape of stars.
That is so cool. All right, stir it up, baby.
Okay.
Check this out. If you want one of these right here, we'll link it down below for you.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
Oh my God, look what you just did.
Right?
That is so cool. Your New Year's Eve celebration drink at midnight, but you should probably start drinking these around
Noon.
Noon
Okay.
would be good.
Fine.
Happy New Year's, Tuners. Let's see what we got here. What am I tasting? I got the fruit punch. What I don't taste, oddly enough, is the alcohol. That is good. May 2026 bring you and yours all the happiness and joy that every year should.
Cheers.
Happy New Year's, Tuners.
2025.
2020.